Welcome to Terminal Text Tools, a quick tour. Meet your guide, a friendly terminal mascot who will walk you through 3 of the most important text programs on any Linux system. The Linux terminal ships with many ways to view and edit text, because different tasks demand different tools. Quick edits, complex code modifications, and simple file inspection each have a specialized program. This is a non-interactive overview. No keys will be pressed, just a clear introduction to 3 tools every terminal user should recognize. First up is Nano, a friendly beginner editor designed to be usable without a learning curve. It displays its commands right on screen, so you always know what to press. Press Ctrl-O to save your work and Ctrl-X to exit. Nano is perfect for quick edits to configuration files or short scripts. Next is Vim, a powerful modal editor trusted by system administrators and developers worldwide. Vim operates in distinct modes: normal mode for navigation and commands, insert mode for typing text, and command mode for advanced operations like saving and quitting. Vim is famously exited by typing a colon, the letter Q, and pressing enter. Finally, meet Less, a read-only pager built purely for viewing files. Less never edits anything, making it safe for inspecting logs and configuration files. You scroll through content using arrow keys or page up and page down, and you exit by pressing the Q key. It is the tool you reach for when you only want to read. Here is the summary. Nano is simple and beginner-friendly with on-screen menus. Vim is a powerful modal editor exited by typing Q and enter. Less is a read-only pager exited by pressing Q. 3 tools, 3 purposes. Knowing which one to reach for is the first step to mastering the terminal. This walkthrough demonstrates 3 essential Linux skills from the command line: inspecting a file with cat, locating installed editors using which, and safely paging through a file with less. Every command shown is a real, runnable example with the actual output you'll see in your own terminal. First, we clear the screen for a clean workspace, then use echo with the redirection operator to write a short line into a temporary file at /tmp/addition.txt. Since output is being redirected into a file rather than the screen, echo produces no visible output, which is exactly the expected behavior. Now we use cat to read the file back. Cat simply dumps the file's contents to standard output, and since the file only contains 1 line, that's exactly what appears below the prompt. This is the fastest way to quickly inspect a small file. Next, we discover which editors are installed on the system using which nano. The which command searches the user's path for an executable and prints its full path if found. Here it returns /usr/bin/nano, confirming new nano is available. Running which vim confirms vim is also installed at /usr/bin/vim. If a command is not found, which silently returns nothing. So an empty line below the prompt would mean the editor isn't available. This is a quick sanity check before starting any editing task. Before opening a file in an editor, it's often safer to just view it, and Less is the perfect tool for that. Running Less, version shows the version banner and confirms Less is installed. Unlike cat, Less lets you scroll page by page without loading the whole file into memory. To wrap up, we print a confirmation message with echo. A real session would now open the file with Less, for example, less/tmp/addition.txt, and pressing the Q key would instantly quit back to the prompt. That's the safe, non-destructive way to peek inside any text file.